what's being called a breathtaking act of financial deception, an Indian origin telecom executive has pulled off one of the biggest loan frauds in recent history. Bankim Brahmabhat, owner of telecom firms Broadband Telecom and Bridge Voice, stands accused of defrauding BlackRock backed lender HPS Investment Partners and other major institutions of over $500 million. Here's how he allegedly did it. According to the Wall Street Journal, Brahmabhat created an elaborate web of fake invoices and fabricated customer accounts. He pledged these fictional revenue streams as collateral to secure massive loans. The scheme was sophisticated. Fake email addresses, forged contracts, non-existent clients, all designed to create an illusion of a thriving telecom business. HPS Investment Partners began lending to Brahmabhat's companies in September 2020. The exposure grew rapidly, from $385 million in 2021 to $430 million by August 2024. French banking giant BNP Paribas helped finance nearly half these loans. But the house of cards began to crumble in July this year. An HPS employee noticed something odd. Customer email addresses used to verify invoices did not look right. They were fake domains, mimicking real telecom companies. When confronted, Brahmabhat brushed off the concerns. Then he stopped answering calls altogether. An HPS investigator who visited his Garden City, New York office found it locked and deserted. No staff, no operations. Just an empty shell. The investigation revealed the shocking truth. Every single customer email provided by Brahmabhat's firms over the past 2 years was fraudulent. Some contracts dating back to 2018 were completely forged. In one case, Belgium telecom company BICS confirmed they had zero connection to emails supposedly from them. They called it a confirmed fraud attempt. Where did the money go? According to the lawsuit, Brahmabhat allegedly moved assets offshore to India and Mauritius, building what lenders describe as an elaborate balance sheet of assets that existed only on paper. On August 12th, Brahmabhat filed for personal bankruptcy. The same day, his companies sought Chapter 11 protection. When Wall Street Journal reporters visited his listed residence, they found luxury cars in the driveway: 2 BMWs, a Porsche, a Tesla, and an Audi. But no one answered the door. People familiar with the investigation fear Brahmabhat may have fled to India. His lawyer denies all allegations. This case exposes dangerous vulnerabilities in the booming private credit market, where lenders are racing to fund high-yield deals, sometimes without full visibility into how borrowed money is actually used. For BlackRock, which acquired HPS Investment Partners earlier this year as part of its private credit expansion, the timing could not be worse. The $500 million question now: can they recover any of it? With Debangna Datta, Bureau Report, India Today Global.